Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how you can delete your YouTube videos from your mobile device. This is quite an easy process of deleting videos from mobile. First, you need to search and open your YouTube application on your mobile device. When the application opens, you need to click your account's icon, which is located on the bottom right corner. With doing this, you will be transferred to your account's profile. First, you need to make sure that you're on the right account on which you want to delete your videos from. After you've done that, head over to your videos now. After clicking on your videos, the next window will show you every video you've made and posted on YouTube. In this section, you'll have multiple options to sort your videos, for example, by date or views. In this section, you can select videos, shorts, or live depending on what you want to view. After you found your video you want to delete, head over to these three dots here. And now just simply press on the delete button. By pressing this command, you'll delete the selected video from the YouTube channel. And yes, I didn't delete my video because I cancelled the operation. I need the video, by the way. This is the easiest way of deleting your videos on YouTube through your mobile device. Thank you all for watching this tutorial and see you in a bit.